Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Group channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone. In this video we will learn how you can change alarm sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy A13. Suppose if you have set alarm and if you would like to change alarm sound, we can do it. For that, first go to the clock icon in the home page of our phone here, and here's Siri set alarm. Here I have set 4:05 a.m. and also 6 a.m. but it is not turned on, but 4:05 a.m. is turned on. And if you would like to change alarm sound here, just click over the alarm and click on alarm sound here, and click on ringtone. You can change ringtone here, that is alarm sound. You can change it from, you can set from system tones. Otherwise you can click on plus symbol and you can choose from the songs you have in your memory card, that is SD card, or in your local folder. If you have downloaded, then you can use. Okay, here I select this one and click on done. So in this way you can set any desired alarm sound after setting your alarm previously. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.